Hello, folks. I'm Tom Kravicka. It looks like we finished another week here in Sinlob, and we've got a forecast coming up. But first, we're going to look around Sinlob. It's just a little bit from Texas Route, but see some clouds, a mostly cloudy sky. There's been an increase in that here in Alexandria, Pineville, going into the Toledo Bend area where there's still some rain in that area. They had some showers and thunderstorms move through Sabine just a little while ago, and some of that cloudiness and even some of that rain remains there at beautiful Toledo Bend. All right, coming up, I'll be talking about rain likely this weekend. So, with a 50% Saturday and a 50% Sunday, those are the numbers I have. That means there's a 3 out of 4 chance that you will get something this weekend. It may not be what you want or need. It may just be a little bit, but it could be over an inch. But all kind of variations there. So it'll be a hot week next week. So the heat will be turned up just a tad for next week. Coming into radar, where we see showers and some thunderstorms in East Texas, we see that area moving through Sabine Parish and then into Natchitoches Parish right now, getting a little bit closer in. Don't see anything really strong until you get up toward I-20 there, but that's out of our area, not coming here. Pretty strong thunderstorm there in East Texas, just west northwest of Jasper right there. But as that moves to the northeast, it will likely weaken here across the area and probably won't even make it into parts of Sinlob. All right, so satellite and radar. You see showers and thunderstorms developing here across portions of the deep south from East Texas all the way into Georgia with the unstable atmosphere. It's hot, it's humid, the air is light, and so it rises easily. And that's how you get these summertime popcorn type showers and thunderstorms across the area. And so that kind of pattern is going to continue through your weekend. So I'll step you through the weekend forecast. Saturday morning, mid-morning, not much happening. It'll start getting hot and humid. And once we reach a magic temperature over 85 degrees, we'll start to see showers and thunderstorms develop on their own. And that will continue into the afternoon hours. Notice an increase in the action there for Saturday. This model might be a little bit underdone compared to what I'm doing with my forecast, but you get the right idea. It's just hit and miss, off and on kind of stuff that we'll be dealing with this weekend. And in mid-morning Sunday for church, we'll see, again, starting to get hot and muggy. But once we go into the remainder of Sunday, I think we'll see some showers and thunderstorms scatter around as well. Tropical interest areas, nothing really still happening in the Atlantic basin right now. Even over in the Eastern Pacific, things have quietened down a bit over in that direction. So here's your 7-day numbers, a 50-50 shot Saturday, 50% Sunday. As I said, you put those together, say for the weekend, instead of doing it individual days, there's a 3 out of 4 shot that you'll get some rain. Temperature is pretty typical, 73 lows, 92, 93 for highs. I start bringing in rain chances down on Monday to 40%, which is still pretty normal for July, 73 and 93. Very little change in temperature there. We start to see the afternoons heat up a little bit starting Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday will be the hottest days. It'll be kind of muggy at night with lows of only 74 degrees. Notice how the rain chance goes down about 20% there Tuesday and 10% on Wednesday. That'll be your driest period. So if you got something outdoors to do, that'll be the time to do it because rain chances will start cranking up Thursday. Not too bad there, 30%. July typical, 30-40% is typical this time of year. But then it goes back up to 50%. I was tempted to go 60 on Friday, but that's a week away. And so there's not a high confidence of that 60%, but I am confident of the 50% there for your Friday. The heat continues, but still not as hot as Wednesday and Thursday. Now let's go beyond the 7-day forecast here for your temperature outlook for the 19th through the 25th. Remember what I just showed you is the 7-day forecast for week 1, week 2, the week after your 7-day forecast. Looks like temperatures will stay above where they typically are for this time of year across our part of the world, across the Northwest. And in fact, most of the country is going to be above normal. For us, that means simply that during this 7-day period right here, normally we see 73 and 93. This outlook says most thermometers will average above those numbers here in central Louisiana during that time frame. What about the rainfall? Well, once again, above normal for much of the eastern portion of the country and northern part of the country, right in here through the Corn Belt, the northern plains, into the Great Lakes. A couple of below normal areas there across portions of the interior west. And I know the folks in Texas are just happy that they are in a below normal. They're hoping this outlook verifies for them, all right, after what they've been through. Now, in central Louisiana, that means that just a little bit over an inch of rain during the 19th to the 25th of July is typical here for Cenla. This outlook would say most rain gauges will catch a little bit more than that during that time frame. All right, so that's your outlook. So we got that done, and got your 7-day forecast done. So we'll look forward to Saturday. I think Nick Mickey will be able to stream, so I think he's going to stream in the morning. I'll stream tomorrow evening during my regular time. A little bit late today because of some issues, but we got it on, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be in the forecast center tomorrow as well. And thank you for your support for Cenla Weather and